what is the integral of x times the square root of x minus 1 dx? Please kindly like my video, share, and comment for us to build the mathematics community. Now, if we let u to be equal to x minus 1 and differentiate this u with respect to x, then we have the u dx equals 1. Since negative 1, the derivative will be 0. Now, this gives the u equals dx. That is, if we do 1 times dx, we are going to get dx. Now, let's make x the subject. We are going to have u plus 1 equals x. Now, our integral becomes u plus 1. That is, if we replace x by u plus 1 times the square root of u, since u equals x minus 1. Now, our dx equals du. So, we are going to have the integral u plus 1 times u to the power positive half du, since square root is the same as power half. Now let us expand this to get u to the power 3 out of 2. That is 1 plus half will give us 3 out of 2 plus u to the power half. That is u to the power half times 1 is u to the power half du. Now we integrate each term by term. So we have the integral u to the power 3 on 2 du plus the integral u to the power half du. If we integrate u to the power 3 on 2, we have u to the power 3 on 2 plus 1 is 5 on 2, all divided by 5 on 2, plus if we integrate u to the power half, we add 1 to half to get 3 on 2, and we divide it by 3 on 2, plus the integral constant c. Now here, we have u to be x minus 1, so we put x minus 1 to the power 5 on 2. The denominator will turn upside down to become 2 divided by 5, plus here the denominator will turn upside down to become 2 divided by 3 times u is x minus 1 to the power 3 on 2 plus the integral constant c. Please kindly like, share, comment, and follow me for us to build the mathematics community.